Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy bean salad using canned beans. This versatile dish is perfect for a quick lunch, a side for dinner, or even a potluck. We will cover selecting the best beans, preparing fresh vegetables, and crafting a simple yet flavorful dressing. Get ready to create a vibrant and healthy meal in just a few simple steps, perfect for any occasion. It is a fantastic way to enjoy a nutritious and satisfying dish. The foundation of a great bean salad starts with your choice of canned beans. I recommend using 3 or 4 different varieties, such as cannellini, kidney, and black beans, for a wonderful mix of textures and flavors. It is crucial to rinse your canned beans very well under cold running water. This step helps remove excess sodium and any starchy liquid. After rinsing, drain them thoroughly and even pat them dry with a paper towel to ensure your salad is not watery and the dressing clings perfectly. Now, let us add some vibrant freshness to our bean salad with an array of colorful vegetables. Dice 1 red bell pepper and 1 small red onion for a delightful crunch and visual appeal. Incorporate about 1 cup of fresh or thawed frozen corn and 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery. Fresh herbs are key for bright flavor. Add about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley or cilantro. For an extra burst of sweetness, you might also include 1/2 cup of halved cherry tomatoes. The dressing brings all the flavors together. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Season this mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. In a large bowl, gently combine your rinsed beans, all the chopped vegetables, and fresh herbs. Pour the prepared dressing over the salad and toss everything until it is thoroughly coated. For best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.